had a tough decision to choose between the light pink shoe or the white shoe. और मैंने actually आप लोगों को पूछा कि कौन सा सबसे पसंद करते हैं, लेकिन थोड़ा सा difficult हुआ क्योंकि ये लोग सफ़ेद बोला और ये लोग पिंक वाले बोला, लेकिन फाइनली मैंने सफ़ेद वाले जूते चूज़ किया. So yeah, I just hope they're gonna get it in my size.
किस तरह की तैयारी चल रही है आईफा के लिए? काफी कुछ चूज करना पड़ेगा आपको वहाँ पर.
Actually मैं आईफा के लिए नहीं जा रही हूँ, मैं स्वीडन के लिए जा रही हूँ. वो मेरा आईफा है. So yeah, I'm actually going back home to Sweden for a vacation with my family, 6 तारीख को. So I'm not going to IFA this year. So yeah.
How difficult or easy is it for you to shop around? इतने सारे options, उसमें से best choose करना.
हाँ, मतलब easy कभी नहीं है. I always take so much of like hours whenever I go for shopping. I have to look at every single dress, every single shoe, and like that, you know. So it takes time, and yeah, I always find it so difficult to like choose. So I always ask, you know, my friends or like other people, like जैसे मैंने आज आप लोगों को पूछा. So yeah, but I mean it's fun. I love shopping.
Any planning to endorse some brand or something?
Sorry?
Planning to endorse some brand?
If I'm planning to endorse some brand, yeah, you know, I mean, I would love to endorse a lot of brands. So yeah, I'm waiting for them.
So do you? This is going to be something different because nowadays we can see some shoes coming up with different brands coming up with some national issues and everything. So according to, is it safe for a celeb or something to do something like that to endorse a brand? Is it safe for you?
If it's safe, like, sorry.
If any comment you can just give.
Well, I got so confused right now. No, actually, I don't think really I will choose about that right now. I mean, I have my managers on board and all who helps me to do all these things. And yeah.
फिल्म के बारे में जानना चाहेंगे, कहाँ तक इसकी कब फिल्म की कपड़े के साथ कैसा है?
कब रिलीज होगा मुझे पता नहीं है actually, but hopefully soon. And shooting तो it's over. We only have like one song left to shoot. और dubbing ये सब भी चल रहा है and all. So yeah, but it's nice. Thank you.
पीछे ना पीछे ना पीछे ना.
तो मैं कहाँ मैं आगे हूँ, मैं तो पीछे ही हूँ ना. मैं किधर आगे हूँ यार, पीछे पीछे बोल रहे हो यार, काम तो करो. मैं किधर हूँ, तुम किधर?
चला मीटिंग आए हैं. Hi.
How are you doing?
Very good.
Tell us about the experience of shopping around.
I love Aldo. I always shop from Aldo. मुझे बहुत पसंद है और यहाँ के साइजेस अच्छे हैं. मुझे कंफर्टेबल लगते हैं जूते. इनफैक्ट कभी आप पार्टी करने जाओ तो Aldo के शूज बेस्ट होते हैं अगर आपको हील्स पहनने. एज अ गर्ल you know which brand suits you, and they have really cool collections क्योंकि Aldo has fun pairs, they have like classy pairs, they have printed pairs, they have everything. So I love Aldo.
How difficult was it to choose around so many options available?
लड़कियों के लिए तो मुश्किल ही होता है. आप दो चीज़ें भी रख दो तो बहुत मुश्किल होता है. ब्लैक और वाइट डिसाइड करने में ही मुश्किल होता है. तो हाँ, it was quite difficult to look and find the perfect pair, but I managed to.
Which outfit are you wearing today?
I'm wearing Demi by Gabriela Dimitriak, and it's a play suit. I feel summery. I like it.
What's on the professional front?
My film is due to release, Bang Chor. As of now, we've announced 22nd October as the release date. So looking forward, it's a Yash Raj film opposite Ritesh Deshmukh. So yeah, as of now that, and currently filming something else, but can't say much.
Brands or something like that?
I just endorsed a brand called Yepme, and I also shot for Ching's. So I'm planning to endorse many brands. So let's see what happens next.
Priya, do you feel that endorsing a brand, is it safe for sellers nowadays?
Safe as it?
As in the ongoing Nestle issues which was on it.
Right.
So according to, what's your take on it?
I think you should endorse any brand that you actually like and you actually would use. And काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें होती है जो सेलिब्रिटीज़ को पता नहीं होती. अब फूड प्रोडक्ट्स के अंदर क्या है, हम लोग FDI तो है नहीं कि हम लोग देखेंगे and we'll see what is inside it. So I think celebrities just endorse brands based on the fact that they like the product. Done? Thank you guys. See you. Tata.
वो अकेला एक्सक्लूसिव छापेगा क्या? तू घर का आदमी यार, तू बाद में मारते रह आराम से. गर्मी का असर है. आगे मत जा, आगे मत जा, आगे मत जा, आगे मत जा. अरे आगे नहीं जाओ तुम. अच्छा
चालू करके रखना विकास.
Oh, she's there. Thank you. I was like, who's going to ask me the question? Thank you. Thank you. So listen, this is great. I just walked in here and I heard I'm going to get a gift. So I think it's lovely that Aldo has partnered with IFA this time, and it's always lovely to get a gift from Aldo. I've been using the brand for many years. I think since I've come to India. There is Aldo India. I mean, there is Aldo everywhere, and I'm from Brazil, so I use Aldo in Brazil too. So I'm really happy that the guys just decided to do this together. I'm quite tall, so I really like to wear flats. I like to wear flats a lot, but if it requires, then pair of heels. So this is Manish Malhotra's nephew. He's creating his new line, and his name is Dev Karan Malhotra. Karan Malhotra. So yeah, I have my great stylist here, and he's got me the dress. So Karan Malhotra, yeah, I've not worked with him before. This is the first time I'm wearing his dress. Yeah, I did a song for the movie Robin Hood Ke Pote, I think releasing this year, and it's a great song. I don't know if it's going to beat Subha Ho Na De, but it's a great number. It's a great number, and a couple of films this year, which I'm really happy. Maybe 2 releasing in October and another one in January. So, good. Nobody, I'm keeping it. Like what? Why should I give it? Thank Thank you guys, thank you. Who wants to give? Thank you. Wow, but I
कैमरा पीछे नहीं रहेगा। अरे मैं नहीं घुस रहा, घुसूंगा तो फिर निकलूँ कैसे? विनोद भाई तुम ही बोलो घुस रहा है। नहीं देख कैमरा नया स्टाइल लेते हैं। अरे पीछे लो कैमरा बाबा, पीछे तो आ रहा है अपना पूरा कैमरा लाइट आ रहा है। थोड़ा दूर से ले लो, सबको मिल जाएगा।
पीछे आओ, पीछे आओ, सब पीछे आओ।
पीछे लो, आराम से मिलेगा यार, जितना वाइड उतना अच्छा मिलेगा। अरे क्या करना है उससे?
Thank you. Aldo, it's actually a very old connection. Always fond of wearing accessories. So that's one connection I always have with Aldo. So whenever I look for something, so always go to Aldo to look for accessories with t-shirts to match with. So yeah. They're liking the film, and if we talk about the film, I'm playing a singer in that, and it's something I actually do in my real life as well. So and people are really appreciating the music. So yeah. Anything. I think accessory I'm always fond of, like I already said, and of course wallet is something I really want to get. I'm working something on my singing, and as far as the movie is concerned, just in the talks. So yeah, I sing as well. So yeah. From a film, or like I would say, I will talk about my film Ishq Dariyan. So yeah, my favorite song from a film is Thursday, in which I am picturized as well. You want me to sing? Okay. Should I pick up the mic or just say? दस दे वे रब्बा सानू दस दे क्यों रो पैंदे नैन जदू हस दे किवे सहांगे टुटे ख्वाबा दा नुकसान किवे सहांगे टुटे ख्वाबा दा नुकसान उंगला ते रह गए छलियां दे निशान दस दे वे रब्बा सानू दस दे. Thank you. Thank you.
निकले पीछे 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 लॉन्ग सर लॉन्ग लेगा कब एक्सक्यूज मी
अरे पीछे आ जाओ यार सब जाओ.
हाँ मैं यही मैं निकले
What a nice setup. Very well organized. Thank you so much. With Aldo, it's a shoe connection. That's what it is. मुझे जैसे सारी लड़कियों को जूते बहुत पसंद है. मेरी मम्मी कहती है कि ओ माय गॉड एक दिन मैं एक सेल करने वाली हूँ ताकि ये सारे जूते इस घर से निकल जाएं क्योंकि मैं I'm an obsessive shoe shopper. Heels. मेरी हाइट ज़्यादा नहीं है तो I love my heels. The higher my heels, the happier that I am. Oh, I think I'd give some really funky Aldo, like, which are a little more chunky and with like good, you know, जैसे उनके जो boots है ना, that I'd probably present somebody like Sonakshi because I think she likes that little bad girl image. मैं ज़्यादातर ये जो glittery वाले pumps हैं, वो मैं अपने लिए रखूँगी और काजल को ज़्यादा heels पसंद नहीं है, तो मैं उसे slightly lower heel वाले जूते दे दूँगी. I'm here, aren't I? Actually, इस साल मैं आईफा नहीं जा पाऊँगी क्योंकि मैं मम्मी के साथ कुछ अलग plans हैं मेरे. So, which अभी मैं सब कुछ आपके सामने नहीं reveal करने वाली. I just launched my production house, so it's a lot of hard work. Acting is a lot more fun, so I'm doing a lot of that as well. But yeah, I think starting a business, getting into production is not easy at all. So I'm just taking one step at a time, taking it slowly. देखो, filmmaking मेरे खून में है, so I just want to make movies that people will enjoy and be entertained with because that's what movies are about. हम हिंदुस्तानी हैं, हमें थिएटर में जाके पॉपकॉर्न खा के पिक्चर देखना है, ताली बजाना है, you know, गाने देखने हैं, मज़े करने हैं. हमें ज़्यादा सोचना नहीं है. Which was the last movie? Which was the last movie I saw? नहीं, actually मैंने तनु as Manu देखा last. That was the last one that I saw, and I loved it. I thought it was fab. Not at all. आप क्या कह रहे हो? Women-centric films have always been around. From a Mother India to a Damini to a, I mean, like, there have been so many films revolving around women. I think it's just cinema takes its phases. और अभी ये phase अच्छा है for women-centric films. I think what's different now is that older women, like who've already had their careers and now they're getting into films, like Sridevi and Madhuri, they are able to now work when they were not able to earlier. Can you tell me something about it? I'm watching the same promos that you're watching. I'm loving the promos. Keeping summers in mind, I think wear lots of color. I love color. I wear a lot of, you know, thin fabrics, not very thick fabrics, a lot of cotton, because I love cotton. We live in India. And yeah, just keep it light, keep it summery and have fun with your style during the summer. I am here to talk about Aldo and you all are taking a full... Sorry. No, it's with my mom. Yeah. The news has already come out.
आइए मचल भारी है।
कवर का देखिए
भाई जरा
अरे हो गया दोनों मार लो ना ऐसा। अरे पीछे का मान लीजिए हाँ दोनों हाँ ऐसा देखा। अरे
आगे घुसा
कौन है यार हमें धक्का मार बाल कर देना। चलो
चलो
रे बाबा पीछे पीछे पीछे। अरे थोड़ा दूर से सबको मिलेगा रे।
चल ले भाई
वही लफड़ा है वो इसे बोलो जूम खराब हो गया है। अरे पहनने तो दो।
देख कैमरा आ रहा है।
मैं रिटेक या रिटेक रिटेक पे रिटेक ओह थैंक यू।
लाइट नहीं है यार
हमको राउंड मारते हुए ही फोटो चाहिए भाई। है ना
नहीं करे नहीं रे कोई नहीं है ना तभी परेशान सब लोग कैमरा चेंज हो गया ना
पीछे लेना
पीछे से नहीं लेते रहे। अरे पीछे रे भैया ले मुंडी ले चलो बाबा पीछे चलते रहो।
एल्डो की इस स्टोर में मैं पहली बार आई हूँ बट आई एम बिग फैन ऑफ एल्डो। इट्स इन इन्फिनिटी 2 जो मेरा रैंडम लाइक आई विजिट देयर एवरी टाइम आई विजिट द मॉल एंड आई थिंक देयर बैग्स आर लवली स्पेशली दोज क्लच बैग्स एंड ऑफ कोर्स द हील्स as you can really trust those heels whenever you're traveling or you're attending a function. They'll never break because I have experienced that. So with Aldo you have that peace of mind which is very important, and then yes, the comfort level which is very very important for women in today's day and date when we are you go to a place like IFA where you exaggerate it like a red carpet and so you need that peace of mind with the blessed heels like these. So I think that's one reason I'm here. तैयारियां तो बहुत की थी आप लोग थे but to be honest I think there was certain sensor conflicts that happened at the last moment जिसकी वजह से we lost a lot of theatres but the work of the actors have been really appreciated and I am getting a lot of very good response from the directors and especially the industry people. So I'm sure, I am getting a lot of work. I have already signed up other 2 films, so I think I have, and plus all the other actors have been benefited from the project. Rest, it's the fate of the film. I think beyond the point we've met, we've spoken, we've promoted the film. Beyond that point, there's nothing that an actor can do. So yeah.
कोई भी ब्रांड की एडवर्टाइज के पहले आप अपने को केवल सेव करते हैं क्योंकि मैगी को लेकर काफ़ी ज़्यादा
समझी नहीं आपको
आप किसी भी ब्रांड के प्राइस को लेकर अपने को कितना सेफ रखते हैं?
किस तरह से सेफ आप? ओके No, why would I be conscious? Of course, you have to be confident about the brand. I think that's very important. You need to be confident about the brand yourself, and you should be using it before endorsing it. So I wouldn't endorse something that I don't personally like it, because then I guess I'm faking it. So I would never do that. Else, I did not wear that necklace. I am not a very accessory person. Basically, I like to be very simple. I'm sure you must have seen in my interviews. So I'm not a very accessory person, but I guess today I'm going to try, because I'm here and I must try something, and of course in IFA, so I'm going to maybe add a few things from here and make my outfits look even better, the ones I'm using for red carpet and IFA. Thanks.
ये भैया पीछे भैया
Can you just be a bit louder? I'm so sorry.
I just said that you're looking very beautiful.
Thank you.
And I want to know your connection with Bollywood.
I think every girl has a connection with Aldo, and you know, we all have bought shoes or maybe bags or maybe tiny little earrings from Aldo, and I think it's an amazing place to shop, and I just love this brand.
What do you mostly prefer, heels or black?
I think heels to save me anytime. If I have to buy heels for the next day, I just quickly rush to Aldo, and I always get a pair of my size and my comfort and the color I desire. So it's really quick and it's really nice. Yes.
So how is the impression for the red carpet?
I think for the red carpet, I've still not decided what I'm going to be wearing, but I think I'm going to be doing the trials today. So hopefully something I'll figure out really soon.
So any nominations for
Yes, my movie Yariyan, which I directed, it's nominated in the Best Music category, and I really hope that it wins the IFA.
And then again, you're getting of this fashion.
Yeah.
So any updates when the trailer will come?
See, right now I'm still shooting Sanam Re. I've shot half of it, and half of it is still to go. So directly from IFA, I'm going to Ladakh for my next sketch, and I think by August I'll be able to complete the film, and after that I'll be doing the post-production, and I think then we'll plan out.
So how's it working with all three young actors?
I think it's very nice when you're working with a young star cast, because as a director, you know, you can tap onto their potential, and there's a lot of unexplored potential in them, and you know, when you know that they have so much inside which you can bring out, then it's definitely very exciting, and that's what I'm trying to do in Sanam Re.
Any Aldo pairs you like to give to your celebrity friends?
Aldo pairs, like out of my collection or out of like. I think I really need to look around to select the right pair, but I think not just one pair. There's so many beautiful pairs around, and which I'm sure I can pick up for myself as well as give to many other friends of mine.
Lastly, what do you think about Aldo's association with IFA?
I think it's a great association because both have established themselves as a good brand. Aldo is all over, you know. I stay in Lokhandwala and I don't even need to come so far to visit an Aldo store. It's right next to my house, and IFA has also really established itself over the years gone by, and we all look forward to IFA Awards, and I think it's a great association for them to be together. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, I'll do
नीचे से आना उधर
क्या करेगा आते रहे
पूरा पीछे आ जा भाई 2 शॉट लेने के लिए पीछे आ जा
चल इधर
यार तुम लोग यार
यही लफड़ा रही है इन लोग का
Thank you very much.
So, Lauren, first of all, since we're in audio stores, those are the like this. What's your connection with
My connection with Aldo, actually, since I'm from the US and there's many Aldos everywhere, it's one of my favorite stores. So when I knew I was coming here, I just was excited to shop and of course see all your lovely faces.
So how do you feel about Aldo's association with IFA?
Aldo's association with IFA, I think, is great for Aldo because IFA is everything. And it's my first time being at IFA and my first time performing at IFA. So I'm tortoise nervous, but really excited. I am performing. Yeah, I mean, since it's my first IFA, and every single day there's so many different events and so many different dresses, I've just been swamped in dresses over the last 2 days. So I'm excited to show off my looks, and hopefully you guys like them all. Well, thank you, Ray. Song, Finding Fanny, Shake Your Bootia, because I have a butt. And, wait, what are you doing? Okay. And the next one's going to be a surprise for you. Heels or flats, heels or flats, heels or flats. You know, when I wake up in the morning, if I put on heels, I know it's going to be a very glam day. I'm going to strut around. I'm going to have lots of attitude. If I put on flats, I will probably dance everywhere. That kind of happens regardless, but I like them both. I'm a Gemini. My birthday's in a week. Actually, it's the last day of IFA. We'll bring in my birthday. So Gemini, I have 2 different sides. So actually heels and flats, that's my 2 different personalities.
So since the movie is released and getting very good response, so what's the compliments and wishes you're getting from friends?
Did you guys see Welcome to Karachi yet? Did you like it? Did you laugh? You haven't seen. What are you doing? How many times I've told you about the film, how good? I think it's super fun. For me, it was my first time out of the dance space, which was something I've always wanted to do. And it's getting pretty good response, and everyone's really liking it. So I'm ready for the next one.
So, Lauren, if you would give a chance to give a pair of Aldo shoes or any accessory to your celebrity friend, who would it be? Any of the celebrity friend you would like to give any of
To gift, I'd say Ileana de Cruz, because I adore her, and probably Ellie as well. Ellie Avram and I are close friends, so maybe I'll pick up a pair for her today. She just came, darn it. What'd she buy? Did she buy me something? She got something? Oh. Nice. Awesome. Thanks, guys. Wish me luck. Thanks.
पीछे अरे नहीं खड्डा में गिरते नहीं भाई खड्डा में दुनिया गिरे
अरे ग्लास है पीछे
पीछे पीछे पीछे अरे वापस है ना ओ अरे भैया क्या करते हो बहुत आगे जाना अरे गड्ढा गड्ढा पीछे अरे पीछे खड्डा है अरे पीछे खड्डा गिरे हुए तुम लोग यार अरे